Okay, 2017-18 Absolute Memorabilia quick box break here. 2 autographs, 2 memorabilia cards. Let's see what we got. There's the 2 packs come inside. Okay, I have looks like a packaged card and an encased card. We'll take out the pack first. Get this thing open here. So we got a redemption here. Okay. We got 2017 card set glass John Wall. Not bad. Here we have a Juan Evans rookie materials card 2 of 25 on the Clippers. Here we got an auto DJ Wilson on the Bucks. Nice card, 13 of 25. There's the back of that. Okay. And our encased card. Nice. Kevin Durant, Warriors. And see, it's card number 2. I don't see a number on it. But good looking card. Kevin Durant, good player for sure. Alright. Not bad. Let's go, nothing else in the box here. We've got one more pack. Let's see what we got in here. Another encased card and pack here. Let's see what we got. Jordan Bell, 17 of 199. Rookie materials. And our autograph, Tyler Lydon of the Nuggets. It's like 50 of 99. Okay. Not great, but okay. And then we have our encased card. TJ Leaf on the Pacers. Honestly, I have no idea who that guy even is. TJ Leaf. All right. That's it for the 2017-18 Absolute Basketball. Thanks for watching.